Welcome to Algebra. You can still hear me, but you can't see me. But we get to still do math, so it's a great day. Our learning target today, will students be able to will compare the properties of logs to exponents and use them to condense or expand logarithmic expressions. So, important first, what does condense and expand mean? Condense is making shorter. So the end game for condensing, when you want to condense a logarithm, is your end goal is to write the word log only once. One time. And then when we are expanding, I'm going to have to write it up yonder, but that's okay. You are going to be making it bigger. So this time you will be writing the word log several times, but the key thing here, the goal is after the base, there's only one thing. So that's kind of how you can self-check for these, and you'll see it as we go along. So how do we condense and expand? Well, it all goes back to the property of exponents. So just like when we have m times n, we add those exponents. The same thing is going to be the case when we have logs. If they are multiplying, we separate it through addition. Or if we're going the vice versa, if it's addition, we join it back with multiplication. So the key thing to remember there is plus and multiplication go together. Plus and times. If you see plus, you will never write plus in your answer. Next one. Quotient of powers, when we have division, the exponents subtract. I wanted that different color. Same with logarithms. So the thing to remember with logs, again, when you have subtraction, it goes with division, or vice versa. And then finally, the last one, power to a power. I got the power. We multiply. Same is true here. The power comes in front and is multiplied. So we're going to look at condensing first, and then we're going to look at expanding on the back. So for this first one, it says, we're doing it hand-in-hand. It says condense. It says log base 4, 6 plus log base 4, 3. Notice the bases of the logs match, and they will always match. There's never going to be a time where I'm like trying to trick you. But we want to just write, so when I say condense, remember the end goal up here we said was to write the word log only once. So the answer to this will be log base 4, and then, okay, I have to go back. What does plus go with? Plus goes with multiplication. So it's going to be 6 times 3. And if you want to actually say log base 4, 18, that's fine. Or you can just leave it as 6 times 3. This next one, log base 5, 10 minus log base 5, 3. Okay, condense. I only write the word log with its base once. And then what does the 10 and 5 do? Well, with subtraction goes division. And again, if you want to simplify it further, fine be it. This next one, I know it looks a little tricky, but really we are just taking care of this power right here. So when there is a number out in front, that is the exponent. So it's going to be ln x plus 3 cubed. And it is important that you write x plus 3 in parentheses, because if you do not, that is not going to be the same expression. All right. Now expanding. Log 3, 4x. So again, you're going to be writing the word log several times, and it's going to be based on how many different constants, coefficients, or variables we have. So I have two things. I have the 4 and I have the x. So when I expand, I'm giving each thing after the base its own log. So I have now log 3, 4, log 3x. These were being multiplied. With multiplication goes addition. Okay? Now, I have log m divided by 7. Each thing, log m, log 7. They each get their own individual log with division. It's subtraction. So notice, I am never writing the same operation that I see. I'm not writing m divided by log 7. You will never write what you see. It always has to be what it is paired with. So going back to, like I said, the property of exponents. Here I have log x2 x cubed minus log base 2 y to the 4th. All right. We want to give everything its own log, but the powers do not get a log. They just get boop, kicked to the front. So it's like, goodbye, goodbye. So it's going to be 3 log 2x minus 4 log 2y. All right. I highly suggest that you pause the video and try some of these on your own and then unpause it to see the answers. But I'm going to keep going and putting answers for you. Ooh, I can zoom in. Hopefully you can have seen everything so far. Oh well. All right, so I have ln of 10 plus ln of 4. It says condense into a single log. So usually it'll help you. It says I want to write the word log just one time. So it's ln. And remember, ln is just the natural log. And it's going to be 10 times 4. Not plus, times. Don't write the plus. All right, next one. I have 2 log x plus log 11. Okay, woohoo! You're a power. Log x squared. What goes with plus? Multiplication, 11. Now, if you want to rewrite this as log 11x squared, that's fine. Whatever tickles your fancy, I guess. Oh, biscuits. Didn't mean to write that little line there. And then for these guys, woo, you're a power. So I have log 3, 2 to the 4th. Oh, what goes with subtraction? Division. Did I write a minus sign? No, I did not. Don't even think about it. And again, you want to simplify, be my guest. If not, okay. Now, this next one, it gets them every time. Don't let it get you. Okay, so I am going to write just log 3. X. Oh, what goes with subtraction? Division. But then it says plus log 3z. So this is what gets everybody into a pickle. They don't know where to put that z. Technically, I have x over y plus goes with multiplication. So technically, this can be x, z, y. A lot of people want to put that z in the denominator. Now, that can happen if it was written like this. If it said log 3x minus log 3y minus log 3z, then this would be log 3x over yz. So that's where the z would end up in the denominator. Otherwise, it's back in the numerator. And if you want, you can rearrange the problem because remember, addition is commutative. So I can say, oh, I'm just going to rearrange it. Biscuits, that's the bell. Oh well, I'm just going to keep teaching. All right, here's the you try. Again, if you haven't paused it yet, I would pause it here so you see if you can get these answers. This should be log 4 8 times 2. I'm just going to go quickly because I want you to make sure you've hopefully tried this on your own. Boop, boop. Y7, X4. And this one, log 2, 5x over 3. Hey, where's the next page? Oh, there she is. All right. Now, expanding. Again, remember your rules. Plus and multiply, divide, and subtract. So now, I'm giving everything its own log. So, everything gets its own log except the powers. So, this will be log 5, 3 plus 2 log x. Next one, ln 6 plus ln x minus ln y. This guy, I'm going to go a little slower, log bx squared plus log y tricky 1/2 minus log Z5. And again, can't have those powers, so those powers come in front. Okay, beautiful. And again, here you can try the U-try. I will write the answers. Actually, I don't have time because you all are banging at the door trying to get in. So I hope you all have a beautiful day.